I'm going to show you exactly how to lose all your money in just 30 days. So your portfolio can sit at the most beautiful single digit of them all. So if you are ready to chuck common sense and solid research out the window, then join me on this wacky adventure. Step 1 is you should put all your money into a single stock. I mean, why spread your risk when you can bet everything on a single company? I want you to think about it as an all or nothing approach. Sure, I mean, you could hedge your bets and invest in multiple sectors, but where's the excitement in that? You want the thrill, the adrenaline rush. And forget picking something stable like a blue chip stock. Nah, come on. You want something exciting, something volatile. You want to pick that stock that everybody is talking about. Because obviously, if everyone else is buying it, you should too. It's prime time to buy right now. Nothing will scream solid investment strategy like dumping everything you have into one name, crossing your fingers and hoping for the best. On to step 2. You should follow every hot tip you see on social media. I'm talking your Facebooks, your Twitters, your Reddit, TikTok. If someone with an anonymous username and a rocket emoji in their bio says a stock is going up, you better believe them. And please, don't forget to panic buy during the hype. FOMO is going to be your best friend here. Who needs logic when you've got emotions? Step 3 is going to be, you should let your losses run and cut your winners short. Now this is a big one. This is going to be your losing strategy. Let your losses keep piling up, and when you somehow finally find a stock that's actually doing well, sell it immediately. It's a wonder you actually made anything. You better sell it quick before the stock market realizes its mistake and takes back all that money. Because why would you want to hold on to a winning stock for long? It's madness. You don't actually want to be making a profit after all. Take what you can and run for the hills. But when it comes to losing stocks, just hold on real tight to them. Watch as your portfolio bleeds and convince yourself it's coming back, it's coming back. It'll bounce right back. I'm sure of it. Let those losers drag down your account day after day, and you will reap the rewards. Remember, the key here is to sell your stocks that are actually making money and keep the ones that are losing it. It's all about striking that perfect balance between regret and missed opportunities. Step 4 is to never ever set a stop loss. Why would you want to set a stop loss? I mean, sure, it's designed to prevent catastrophic losses. Where's the fun in that? You want to ride this thing all the way to zero. And the best way you can do that is to leave yourself completely exposed. If stock starts tanking, don't sell. Just hold on tight. And try your best to convince yourself it's going to bounce right back. Here's a pro tip. If your stock drops 50%, that's the perfect time to start doubling down. Buy more. Step 5. Use leverage, and lots of it. Now the next step is for you daredevils out there. Leverage is like free money, right? Why trade with what you actually got when you can borrow money to increase your losses even faster? If you're not 10x leveraged, are you even trying? It's not just about losing your own money anymore. You can actually lose money you don't even have. How great is that? Think of it as a high-speed train to Broketown. And sure, you might owe your broker a small fortune, but hey, at least you got there faster than everyone else. Time is money after all. Step 6 is to change your strategy every chance you get. Consistency is for amateurs. The real pros know that you should change your strategy every single time you hear a new one. Last week you were all about value investing. Well, this week, why not make it all about momentum trading? Why stick to one plan when you can constantly switch it up? It's much more exciting that way. Heard a new tip in a forum? Follow it immediately. Don't bother to research, it's actually worth your time. Just chase the latest strategy that's making the rounds. Because if it works for someone else, it will definitely work for you. Never mind that constantly changing your approach is the fastest way to blow up your account. The idea is to keep yourself in a perpetual state of confusion, so you never really know why you're buying or selling. It's exciting, right? One thing is for sure, you'll never get bored this way. And it keeps your broker really busy with all those transactions fees you're making. And step 7, ignore fundamentals completely. What even are fundamentals? Who cares if a company is profitable or has a solid business model? PE ratios, balance sheets, cash flow statements, it's all just noise. If the stock price is going up, That's all you need to know. You're here for price action, baby, not some boring financial analysis. Besides, those financial ratios are so outdated. Just buy whatever's trending. If it's hyped, it's a winner. Step 8 is the most important in my opinion. You should refuse to learn from your mistakes. This is by far the best ways you can guarantee to lose all your money. Never ever learn from your mistakes. If a trade goes bad, it's just bad luck. It had nothing to do with you. It's definitely not your fault. You did everything right. You're a winner. Just keep doing the exact same thing over and over again. The result will most certainly be in your favor the next time. I mean, that's the definition of success, am I right? You've done it. You've lost all your money in 30 days. Now obviously, I was just messing around here. This video wasn't meant to mock or poke fun at anyone, because trust me, I've made plenty of these mistakes myself. But sometimes the best way to learn is by seeing exactly what you shouldn't do. It's why Charlie Munger always says, "Tell me where I'm going to die, so I'll never go there." We've all been there, making decisions out of fear, following trends blindly, or changing strategies constantly. But the truth is, learning from those missteps is what makes us better as traders in the long run. So if you enjoyed this video, like, comment and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. And then I'll see you in the next one.